it's Mrs. Ward here. I just wanted to show you what you're doing today. You are completing Google Slides on an article called Fascinating Fish. The first thing I want you to do is just look at the picture in the front on the first slide and look at the words Fascinating Fish. Then you're going to go all the way down to the bottom slide, which is the before reading questions. So you have 4 questions and you're going to just think about your answer. You don't need to have any text evidence here. So before reading the story, answer the questions below. Are all fish carnivores? A carnivore is an animal that eats meat. So are all fish carnivores? What do you think? Yes or no? Slide the red circle over yes or no. Do all fish live in the ocean? And then slide your circle over yes or no. Do fish have gills? Yes or no. Do fish have a backbone? And then yes or no. After you finish that, go up to the back up to the first slide. You are going to read through the article, so you need to make sure you pay attention to the headings and the captions. The captions will tell you more about the photographs. So this is a nonfiction passage or an informational text. You will find real information. You will find real photographs. You will find captions that tell you more about the photographs. You will find headings that help you understand what the section will be about. You will also find labels. These are labeling the photos. And here we have some more labels of a shark. They're using arrows and vocabulary words to label the parts of the shark. Read the Did You Know page. Words to know. The word to know is gills, an organ that fish use to get oxygen from water. Then, after you finish reading this, you are going to do the vocabulary slide. So they tell you to pick one important word. I picked it for you. It's called vertebrates. Type the definition here. You can use your information to go back in the text, find where vertebrates is, and tell us what that means. So write the definition here. Illustration. You can find a picture from Google about what vertebrates are, a fish that's a vertebrae, and add that here, or you can just type a description of it. Synonyms, find a word that means the same, and antonyms, find a word that means something, means the opposite, and then over here you can write it in a sentence. If for some reason the word vertebrates does not work for you, you can find another important word in the story, but it must be important in the story. Then go down to the last slide again. Now you are going to go back to those questions. After you have read and found your information, answer the questions. Are all fish carnivores? After you read this, is that a yes or a no? And you must have text evidence. So does it tell us that all fish are carnivores? And wherever you find that information, write it here, the text evidence that you found. Good luck and happy reading.